In a way, it's the same as the one before this. And I wish I could say that it's all black and white, but it's gray. It's the same, and I'm so tired of you, what I'm coming home to. Oh, I'm thinking about a red wine buzz and taking it easy. And I got you in my arms, taking a break from crazy. And I'll say, hey, you'll say, baby, how's your day? I'll say crazy, but it's all gonna be alright. You'll kiss my smile, I'll pull you closer, spend a while just getting to know ya. But it's all gonna be alright. I'm loving you tonight, oh, oh, yeah, yeah. I'm loving you tonight, oh, oh, yeah. And you are there on my heart, at the start of my every morning. And I can't deny by the end of the day that I'm running on empty. But you make it forward, steal my breath. You're so unpredictable, that's what I'm coming home to. Oh, I'm dreaming about a romance, slow dancing with you. When I got you in my arms, and I don't care what we do. Cause I'll say, hey, you'll say, baby, how's your day? I'll say crazy, but it's all gonna be alright. You'll kiss my smile, I'll pull you closer, spend a while just getting to know ya. But it's all gonna be alright. Loving you tonight, oh, oh, yeah. Loving you tonight.
Von and Mary Rose, alam kong ang dahilan kung bakit kayo magpapakasal ay dahil mahal ninyo ang isa't isa.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said that I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on.
Pinagtagpo kayo ng Diyos at itinadhana sa isa't isa. Mahal kayo ng Diyos kaya namuo sa inyong puso ang pagmamahal ninyo sa isa't isa. Ang Diyos ang may pakana ng pag-usbong ng pagmamahal na yan na unti-unting lumalago sa inyong mga puso. Mary Rose, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Von, Joseph, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
Holding on. We're still together, still going strong.
Von Joseph, do you take Mary Rose here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Von Joseph, wear this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.